Join me as I take on the challenge of camping for the first time in 2024, using only the tips and tricks from this ultimate beginner's guide. Welcome to the Ultimate Beginner's Guide to Camping in 2024. Are you excited to venture into the great outdoors and experience the thrill of camping for the very first time? You're in the right place. This video is designed to take you by the hand and walk you through every step of the way, ensuring that your first camping trip is nothing short of amazing. Camping can be daunting, especially for beginners. One of the biggest challenges is knowing what to pack. You don't want to forget something essential, but you also don't want to overpack and end up lugging around a ton of unnecessary gear. Another common concern is choosing the right campsite. You want to make sure it's safe, has access to amenities, and provides an enjoyable experience. Then there's the issue of safety. What if you encounter wildlife, or get lost, or have an accident? Don't worry, we'll cover all these concerns and more in this video. Many beginners also struggle with setting up their campsite. From pitching a tent to starting a campfire, there are a lot of skills to learn. And let's not forget about meal preparation. Cooking over a campfire can be tricky, but with the right techniques, you'll be whipping up delicious meals in no time. Lastly, there's the issue of dealing with the elements. How do you stay warm in the cold or cool in the heat? In this video, we'll break down each of these challenges and provide you with easy-to-follow tips and tricks to overcome them. By the end of this, you'll be well equipped to plan and execute an amazing camping trip. When it comes to essential gear, there are a few must-haves that you shouldn't leave home without. First and foremost, you'll need a good quality tent that's waterproof and easy to set up. You'll also want a comfortable sleeping bag and sleeping pad to ensure a good night's sleep. Don't forget a portable stove or campfire cooking equipment, as well as a decent flashlight or headlamp. When choosing a campsite, look for one that's flat, dry, and has some shade. You'll also want to make sure it's close to amenities like restrooms and potable water. If you're a total newbie, consider starting with a car-accessible campsite to make things easier. Remember to always follow campground rules and regulations and be respectful of your fellow campers. Meal preparation is all about planning ahead and packing smart. Bring non-perishable snacks like energy bars and trail mix, and consider prep cooking some meals before you head out. Don't forget to pack a water filter or purification tablets to ensure you have access to safe drinking water. Safety should always be your top priority when camping. Make sure you know basic first aid and bring a first aid kit with you. Bring a map and compass and know how to use them. It's also a good idea to bring a personal locator beacon or satellite phone, especially if you're camping in a remote area. One of the most exciting moments of camping is setting up your tent for the first time. It's a thrill to watch your campsite come together and to know that you're one step closer to enjoying the great outdoors. Another highlight is cooking a meal over a campfire. There's something special about savoring a delicious meal under the stars. As you're sitting around the campfire, watching the stars twinkling above, you'll realize that camping is so much more than just a trip. It's an experience. It's about connecting with nature, with yourself, and with the people around you. It's about trying new things, stepping out of your comfort zone, and pushing yourself to new heights. In this video, we've covered the essential tips and tricks you need to know to plan an amazing camping trip. From packing the right gear to choosing the perfect campsite, we've got you covered. Remember to always prioritize safety, and don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. With a little practice and patience, you'll be well on your way to becoming a camping pro. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you out on the trails. If you've got a favorite camping tip or trick, be sure to leave it in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more outdoor tips and adventures.